my god!
Hi guys, Scott Brenny here for the Turnable microwave oven.
How does it work?
Simple guys. First of all, you go into the cupboard and grab your packet of popcorn. You open it up, throw it in the microwave, press the popcorn button, and bam, it's done. Go into your cupboard, grab a bowl, open it, and give it to your friends. What's wrong, guys?
Too plain.
Well, then you need to try salt.
How does it work?
Simple, guys. First of all, you grab the container, shake it on, and eat. So next time you guys are hungry, don't forget the turnable microwave and salt. Hey folks, Scott Brenny here for the Turnable microwave oven. You guys are over. Hey folks, Scott Brenny here for the Turnable microwave oven.
How does it work?
You guys are over.
I thought you
now.
were gonna, like,
You're
show-
sitting there like this. Hey folks, Scott Brenny here for the Turnable microwave oven.
How does it work?
Stop it.